Alright, check in. Today we're gonna show you how to do a front brake and a vauxhall MOKKA. So first thing before you start, we're gonna reservoir cover. You're gonna open it a little, leave it like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and jack up the vehicle. But first, we're gonna remove these cap. Alright, so now we're gonna jack it up and put it on the jack stand and change the front pads. Let's do it.
Of the things that you have done, violence and your crime, leave the whole world in shame. You don't know what life is worth, killing off the boys and the girls, saying that you run the place, but you're only a big disgrace. But Joe will, Jaja giving you a beating.
Alright, so we're gonna do it the old school way. We're gonna use the screwdriver to prise in the piston. We're just gonna put it right here and then prise it in. Make sure the piston go in.
Take your life and you can't give it back. Someday you will meet you at a step, doing things like you just can't stop. I say there's a time and place for everything. Before you do things you got to think. But what goes around comes around. You got to change before you hit the ground. They're going to give them a beating. Yes, beating. Just give them a beating.
Piston is in. So all you have to do now is remove the caliper bolt. So
any luck?
So caliper is out. If you want, you can remove it. You can remove it from here like that. Just like that. You just rest it at the top. Then you get a screwdriver and get out the whole brake pads.
They got hundreds of miles left on the joint, ain't they?
Easy.
You know what they're like.
Yeah. So we're gonna remove the clips and clean up the bracket. This is not a whole vehicle, so it don't need much cleaning, you know. So after that you just spray it with some brake cleaner, get off the dust. So we're gonna do the top one now. All right, so we clean up these already. A little hedge was here, so I just used the grinder, take down the hedge. So we're gonna put on the pads. So we're just gonna put a little grease at the edge and put them in back.
Dwayne, do you want a chocolate biscuit?
Yeah, I would have a chocolate biscuit. So just put a little grease. You don't have to, but you know. Take your time and slide it in like that. And then we're gonna put a little grease on this one too and slide it in.
Dwayne, here. All right.
Thank you.
Here, look, that's ice cold. Drink that while it's cold.
Thank you. So, to remove the caliper bolt, you need a 13 socket or spanner and a big screwdriver to prise in the piston, and that's it. So, brake is in. So all you have to do now is just put on back your wheel, pump up your brake, and job done. But I'm not gonna show the next side because the same procedure to do the next side. So please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. So at the same time I'm gonna take a 5 minutes break, have a little drink.
blocking that thing, Dwayne.
Yeah.
Did you want to borrow that then, did you?
No.
Well, you know where it is if you need it.
Yeah. All right, so we come to an end of another video. So please like, share, subscribe to the channel for more video like this. I'm out.